If Microsoft Edge is failing to install and you keep running into an installer error, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a few simple fixes that usually solve the problem fast. We'll stop any stuck Edge processes, run the installer with administrative privileges, and temporarily disable antivirus if it's blocking the setup. If this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Now, let's get started. First, press Ctrl, Shift, and S on your keyboard to open Task Manager. Once Task Manager opens, look through the list of running processes for Microsoft Edge. If Edge is already running in the background, that can interfere with the installer and cause an error. Right-click the Microsoft Edge process and select End Task. If you see more than one Edge-related process, end those as well. After that, close Task Manager and go back to the Edge installer. This time, right-click the installer file and choose Run as Administrator. Running the setup with admin privileges gives it the permissions it needs to make system changes, and that often fixes installation issues right away. If the error still appears, the next thing to check is your antivirus software. Sometimes antivirus protection can block browser installers or prevent files from being written correctly. Temporarily disable your antivirus for a short time while the installer runs. Just make sure you only do this long enough to complete the installation and turn it back on immediately after. Once antivirus is disabled, run the Edge installer again as administrator and let it finish. In many cases, one of these three steps will clear the error and get Microsoft Edge installed properly. If the setup completes, open Edge and make sure everything is working normally. And if this video helped you fix the issue, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with anyone else who is having the same problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.